I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix a flat when you have a bad valve stem. So there's two different sizes. This is the one I'm using for these tires. First thing you're going to do is take your tire off the vehicle. Hopefully you know how to do that. Second thing we're going to do is we're going to spray some soapy water around it, just help that bead break. And this is a bead breaker. You're just going to push down right by the valve stem until the tire pops down off of the rim. You can see how it did there. And we're going to take that old bad valve stem and I'm going to reach in with my knife. This is one of the trickier parts, just because a lot of times if you got a bigger tire you can drop that piece of that valve stem down in the tire, but it's not really a problem on this one. So I'm just going to cut through almost all the way through so that I can grab it. In this case I went to grab it and it just went the rest of the way up through the hole in the rim, as you'll see. So just wiggling it around and I was able to just pull it straight up out of the hole, just like that. So now you can see there's our bad valve stem. It's cracked up. There's our new one. We're going to hit it with some soapy water just so it slides in there nice. We're going to feed it back up through the hole in the rim. Gotta find it, it's kind of hard to do just reaching around that thing, and it's really slick, so you want to make sure you don't drop it. And so I just poke it up through the hole in the rim. Now they sell a special tool that screws onto the valve stem for pulling it up. You can just use some pliers, but you want to pull it just until it pops in place, just like that. And here's another clip from the other tire I did as well. So you can see it, you pull it and it just pops just like that, and that's where you want to stop. So then all you gotta do is re-inflate it. So on smaller or softer tires you can kind of just push the rim and kind of bow the tire out, but you just want to make sure that tire is in front of the valve stem, and it'll start filling up, and then that bead will set just like that, and you're done.